We cannot hear, ma'am.
No, I didn't start. Wait.
We cannot hear a voice only now also, ma'am. When you're talking also, it's some full low voice, ma'am.
Wait, I'll check. Okay, guys. Now am I audible? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now next we are going to discuss about trees. We are going to discuss about trees. Okay. Here in this module we are going to discuss two concepts. One is trees, another one is grass. Okay. So still now whatever we have discussed, it had more programs. Okay. What are the things we have discussed? First unit we have discussed about the general what is data structure. So here you have to recollect the points. What is data structure? Anybody? Fast. Just one line statement I want. What is data structure?
Organization of
Hmm.
data.
Organization of data.
Efficiently.
Okay. What are the two types of data structure? Data structure can be divided into two types. Already we have
Primitive,
discussed.
non-primitive.
Primitive, non-primitive. Just I will write like this, guys. Primitive
Non-primitive.
data structure, non-primitive DS data structure. Okay, guys. So primitive data type examples are what are what are the examples for primitive data type you can give?
Int,
Inter, float,
int character.
character, pointer, everything primitive data type. We have discussed completely in our first module. Am I correct? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so non-primitive data structure again divided
Linear,
into
non-linear.
two. Yeah. Non-premier linear data structure. Just I will write linear, non-linear. But how you should tell? Non-primitive linear data structure.
Linear data structure.
Non-primitive non-linear data structure.
Non-linear data.
So under linear data structure, what are the things we have discussed? Examples you tell me.
Stack, queues, arrays, stack.
Arrays, stacks, queues we have discussed. Then stack, queue.
Non-linear trees, graph.
No. Here one more thing we have discussed now.
Linked list.
Linked list. Okay, these are called as linear data structure. Okay, so your data will be arranged in this linear fashion. Like this way it will be arranged. Am I correct, guys? Under this non-linear data structure, we are going to discuss two things. One is tree, another one is graph. One is tree. This one you should not forget anytime. Another one is graph. In this first we are going to discuss about trees. In this first we are going to discuss about trees. Later I will tell you the proper definition. Just I will tell you what is tree. First one, easily we can say tree is a non-primitive, non-linear data structure. Ma'am, that non-primitive, non-linear, it's confusing me. Just you write, tree is a non-linear data structure. Sorry, non-linear data structure. Okay, here the element. So in array means we will tell element. This one stack queue also we used to take the data is called element. In linked list, what we will say? You can't say that just data. The data will be represented as node. Okay, good. So node, like that. Here if you are organizing an element without a closed format, without a closed format, it is called a tree. If you are organizing an element with the closed format, it is called graph. It is called a graph. So this is tree. For example, simple tree I will draw and show you. So normally we used to see trees in our roads. Am I correct? Root will be there. It has number of leaves. Okay, it has number of this one leaves, and it has number of stems. Like everything is there. So like that, if you write like this, is it closed? Is it closed? Anyway, you have organized your element A, B, C, like that. A, B, C, your data or element. Is it closed, guys? This side,
No,
okay.
ma'am.
It
No,
is
ma'am.
not closed because here no connection. So this is called a tree. This is called a tree without a closed format. If you put one connection between this, now it is closed or not? Now it is closed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then it is called graph. Then it is called graph. That's all difference. Later we will discuss about graphs. Clear? This is simple tree. Okay. So from this, shall I say A is a element, here B, here C. So another one definition I can say that tree is a non-linear data structure, okay, where the elements are arranged in hierarchical order, hierarchical structure or hierarchical order with recursive function. Because again and again, recursive function means what? Anybody? Recursive function?
Ma'am, which call itself.
A function calls itself. Okay, so recursive. So here if you see, this is a hierarchical data structure. For example, if you are going to either if you are going to temple, if they will ask what is your gotra, then what is your nakshatra, everything they may ask, or what others also, for anybody. So if you are going to tell first where from where our ancestors, parents, grandparents, grandparents, like that only our family tree is coming or not? Our family. Sorry, here some network issue. Everything in photo. Okay, later I will draw. So we used to follow our ancestors' family habits, like that. So we are also in the hierarchical structure, and we are also under the tree or what? Like that only. If you write like this, A, then you are writing this B and C without closed format. This is called a hierarchical structure. This is called hierarchical structure. So tree is a non-linear data structure which is arranged in where the data elements are arranged in hierarchical structure. Okay, then it is called a tree. So now first we will discuss about some terminologies about tree. All of you clear with the tree? All of you clear? Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because this explain the terminologies of trees also, one question they may ask. Okay. So now I will write, this is A. Is it visible, guys? This is B,
Yes, ma'am.
C, D, E, F. You just tell me, anyway you are seeing the diagram. Is it in linear fashion?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not in linear fashion. So first, if you want you write, otherwise I have given in the PPT also. Yesterday I sent the complete third module PPT, notes, everything. Okay. So here First one, tree means what? It is a non-linear data structure where it organizes the element without a closed format, which is organizing the element in a hierarchical format, hierarchical structure. So first one, somebody will be the root for our family tree. Okay, like that. Definitely you should have one. Each first important point is here each and every element is represented by node. Okay, so the element of a tree is what? Node. Just you write. Whenever I am writing, at least take that running notes. It is easy for you. It is helpful for you. Node. Node means the element of a tree. The element of a tree. Now you tell me what are the nodes are there here? What are the nodes are here?
E, E, F,
Node.
G.
A, B, C, D. All are.
No, ma'am.
So A, all the
A,
elements
B,
are
E.
A, B, C, D, E, F. Somebody, you didn't mute.
Dark
Please.
F.
E, F, G, H. Deepak, if you want to discuss
Yes,
with your
ma'am.
family, please you go discuss, then you join. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. So these are the nodes which are present in the tree. So you tell me how many nodes are there in the tree? How many nodes are there in the tree? How many nodes? Are you there, everybody? How many nodes, guys? Each and every element is called a node. Here, how many nodes are there? Just you count. Hello, am I audible? Harsh, Harsh? So bad. I don't know why. What happened today for college internet? You know, only I have drawn. Just like that, I'll draw. A, B, C. Now you tell me how many nodes are there? When it will go, I don't know. Please tell me. Okay, guys, how many nodes are there in this tree?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 nodes are there. All 8 nodes I told you A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Next terminology is root. Anybody can tell me which is the root of this node? So which is the root of this tree? A is the root of the tree.
A, ma'am.
Ma'am, how A is the root of the tree means the topmost node. You have to come like this. From top to bottom, you have to check. This is arrow mark from top to bottom. Which is the node present in the topmost is called as root node. Okay. Otherwise, I can say always you have to read the tree from top to bottom. So when you are going initially, when you are going to read the start, when you are going to start to read, go through the tree, we'll start from the top. So starting node of the tree is a root, or topmost node of the tree is a root. So according to our tree, what is the root? A. Okay, A. So can you tell me maximum how many roots, whether it is correct or not, no issues. You tell me just. Maximum how many roots may be there for a tree? Anybody, guys?
One.
One.
One. So about root node, we have to write the point that tree should have only one root node. All of you, All 53 listening. So there is the tree should have only one root node. All of you clear? First, next terminology we discuss edge. This is more important. Here I have connected two nodes. For example, linked list. How will you connect two nodes? By using next pointer. Am I correct? Linked list, how will you connect two nodes? Like this you have, means how will you connect? By using this next pointer only we will connect our what? Okay, like this. If you see A and B, I have made one line. Am I correct, guys? This is called edge. Each and in between two nodes, if you want to connect two nodes, we have to draw one line between two nodes. That line is called edge. That line is called edge. So you tell me how many edges are here? How many edges are here? Guys, please make it fast. Already we have
7, ma'am.
7. So from this, I can tell you one point. If you have 8 nodes, how many edges you are getting?
7.
7.
N minus
So
1.
from that,
N minus
we can derive the formula that if you have n nodes, everybody, if you have n nodes, there will be n minus 1 edges. There will be n minus 1 edges. If you have 10 nodes, there will be 9 edges. If you have 50 nodes, you will get 14 edges. Okay. Next, parent. Next one is parent. So always, if I tell parents means immediately you will tell your father and mother name. Am I correct? Father and mother name. So like that, here if you see, A I have on the top. A I have on the top. Under that A, what are the two nodes are there? Under
BC.
B and C. So can I say B and C are the
Nothing.
B and C are the children of A. Can I say? B and
Yes.
C are the children
Yes,
of
ma'am.
A. So he is on the top. A is sitting on the top. So B and C are the children of A. So A automatically, if I say B and C are the children of A will be what? A will
Parent.
be what?
Parent.
Parent. Okay. Here you tell me how many parent nodes are there, and you tell me who are the parents. Shall I?
Three
This
A,
one
B,
shall I?
Parents.
A, B, E, ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute. Now,
First is
parent.
A, ma'am.
So if you understand here, no need to sit and spend time for studying these terminologies. So A is a parent first. Am I correct? Am I
A, B,
correct?
E, ma'am.
Wait. B is a parent. Everybody should understand, please. B is a parent. You guys, you tell me C is a parent or not?
No, ma'am,
No, because it doesn't have a child. Am I correct? So D is a parent or not?
No, ma'am.
No. E is a parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it has two children, G and H. So E is a parent. Then you tell me F is a parent or not?
No, ma'am.
No. Everybody clear who is parent? It should have a child, descendant. So I told you, A is an ancestor, that is parent. Before you will go ancestor, just I am telling you. B and C are the children of A. So if any node has a subnode or children, then we can say that node is a parent node. So immediately next node, what we can find? Child node. Okay, child node. So child node means the node with edge from bottom to top. So now you should not see from parent means you should see from top to bottom. If you go with the child means again top to bottom, you will get confused. So what you have to do here, the node with edge from bottom to top you have to check. Bottom to top or branches of parents. Branches of parents. Two way you can identify the child. From bottom to top you have to see what are the edges are there. That nodes you can write as a child. Otherwise, ma'am, it is little bit confusing. Means simple. You have parent node. Am I correct, guys? You have parent node. Branches of parent. Branch means what? This is only branches. This is edge. BC are the branches. Branches of branches of parents are called child. So shall we go from here? From first method shall we discuss? From bottom to top, edges. What are the two edges are here? This edge and this edge. All of you listening? So now you tell me, from here to here, you should not see E. From down to top. So G and E will be the, G and H will be the one child. G is the child, H is one of the children. Am I correct, guys? Everybody? Everybody? Then here I have H, here I have H, here I have H. So D, E, F. Ma'am, but E is the parent, na ma'am. It can be a child or not. Yes. Your father and mother, they are a parent for you, but they are a children for your grandparents. Same logic. Then B and C, if I next step, one step I am moving. B and C are the child of A.
A.
A. Okay. But can you write A? Can you write A?
No, ma'am.
No, because
no
root
edges
node,
there.
root node and no edges are there on top of the root node. So now can you understand? Otherwise, second step method is what? Branches of parent. First parent is what for me? A. Branches are what? BC. Second parent is what for me now? B. D, E, F. Third parent is E. G, H. Again, same we are getting our what? Everybody understand? So this is, if you understand the terminology.
Except first node, we write all the notes, no ma'am.
Except first. So that now we have discussed what are the terminologies, what is node, what is root, what is edge, parent, child. Next, siblings. So you and your brother or you and your sister is a siblings or what? Same. So at the nodes which have same parent, the nodes which have, these are the nodes. The nodes which have same parent is called as siblings. Now you tell me who are the siblings here?
H. G.
Siblings
H.
of my tree is, sometimes they may give this tree and they will ask you to write this. Siblings of the this one is B, C, then D, E, F. Am I correct? D, comma E, comma F, then G, comma H. So these are the siblings nodes. So BC is a one sibling. So you should not put like this. DEF is a one sibling, GH is a one sibling. Okay, guys? DEF, BC, sorry, GH, BC. So this is about sibling. So next, leaf node, LEAF. LEAF, leaf node. Anybody is having idea? So we have discussed parent, everything. Child also, parent, child also. It has a relationship with this concept only. Siblings also we checked, we discussed. Now can you tell me which is the leaf node?
C.
C is the leaf node. Okay, correct. I will explain, no issues. How you are telling that C is a leaf node?
It has no further branches.
That is one point. I'll tell you the node which doesn't have a child. The node which doesn't have a child. That is called, there we are breaking. So the child which doesn't have the node which doesn't have a child is called leaf node. So you tell me, guys, one boy who told C. C is okay. But only
Yeah.
C is the leaf node for this tree.
C, H,
No,
D.
ma'am.
C is the leaf
DF.
node. Again, B has A has from there only will come. A has a child. Okay, I can't put it in the leaf node. B has a child. I can't put it in the leaf node. C doesn't have a child, so I'll put it in the leaf node. So D has a child.
No,
No.
ma'am.
No. So D also is the leaf node. E has a child.
F.
Yes. So it won't come in the leaf node. So F. So the node which doesn't have a child are called leaf node. Because there only my tree is ending. Okay, so I could not further continue. So that is the node which doesn't have a child are called as leaf node. Okay, next one, internal nodes. Next one, internal nodes. What is meant by the internal nodes? All the nodes other than leaf nodes are called as internal nodes. All the nodes including root other than leaf nodes. So you tell me now, all the nodes other than leaf node, CDF is in the leaf. So all the nodes A, B, then E. Am I correct? Am I correct, guys? A is an internal node, B, C is the leaf node, D is the leaf node, F is the leaf node, G, oh, here we forget, GH also leaf nodes. Am I correct? Am I correct, guys? Here with this two we left.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
this two we left.
Ma'am.
Sorry. So GH also leaf node. Other than leaf node, A, B, E. So what is that? The nodes which have a child. So A, B are the internal nodes. Next important, here only you will get confused, not doubt. Degree. Next one is degree. What is meant by degree means there are two things are there. Degree of a node. Degree of a node. And we can say, they will ask what is the maximum degree of the tree. They will ask. So first one is degree. D-E-G-R-E-E. So degree means number of child nodes. Number of child nodes. Wait, these things and all I will erase. Number of child nodes represents degree of a node. Number of child node represent. First we will discuss degree of a node. Degree means first we will represent degree of a node. Number of child node represents the degree of a node. You people tell me what is the degree of the node A?
2.
7.
2. Yes.
2.
One boy answered, but it is not correct, ma'am. So if you told 7, am I correct? 7 is not the answer because number of child. B is a B and C are the child for A, but D, E, F are the grandchild for A. GH are the grandchild for A. Am I correct? So if you want, you note down number of child nodes. If I'm taking what is the degree of A means you have to check only the number of child nodes. Only the number of child nodes. So number of child nodes of A is what? You tell me. So I have to write like this. Degree of A is what, guys? 2.
2.
2.
Degree of B is what?
3.
3.
3.
Yeah, that's all. Degree of E also 2.
2.
Okay. So next question they may ask, what is the maximum degree among all the nodes? Okay, what is the maximum degree among all the nodes? So maximum means which B3, na? Okay. Which node contains the highest degree is your maximum degree. So which node contains maximum degree? B, that is 3. So degree of tree is 3. So degree of node means what? Number of child nodes of a particular node. Degree of tree means you have to list out all the nodes degree. Which node is having the highest degree? That is the degree of a tree. So my tree, degree of the tree is 3. Degree of a tree is 3. If suppose if I am drawing like this, I. Now you tell me what is the degree of my tree? What is the degree of my tree?
4.
4. Because this will be changed to 4. So maximum is 4. So that is my degree of tree. Node means number of child nodes. Degree means maximum degree of the which node holds the maximum degree. Next important one, level. Very rarely some books they will start with 0. Start with 1. Usually level will be start with 0. Level will start with 0. Ma'am, first what is level 1? Level means it is a step. What I told you, this tree means what data structure I told you? Hierarchical data structure. Okay, it will give you the hierarchical, sorry, not data structure, hierarchical structure I told you. So every step or a hierarchy in a tree is called a level. Every step or a hierarchy in a tree is called a level. So you tell me how many levels are there? You have to start from 0. You have to start from 0. Anybody? Level.
Ma'am.
Huh? You have to start from 0. Every step or hierarchy. Every step or hierarchy is called as level. Because I will say there, but you tell me later. I will correct if it is wrong.
2 no, ma'am.
3, ma'am. 3, ma'am. 3.
3. How 3? How 2? Who told 2? You tell me how 2. So this is my level 0. Am I correct? First step. When you are doing, I told you like this way, you read a tree. So this is level 0. Am I correct, guys? Again, I'm telling some books or some books they will use 1 also. That depends upon the author. This is level 1. This is my second step or second hierarchy. What? For A, who are the child, guys? B and C. So A is on the top. This is my first hierarchy. This is my second hierarchy. This is my third hierarchy. For B, I have 3 children, D, E, F. So this is what? Level 2. For E, I have 2 children. So next hierarchy. So this is my level 3. So now you tell me how many levels are there? 3 levels are there.
3 levels.
Okay, that's why if your parent is at level 1, okay, next your child is at what? Level 2, 1 plus 1. If your parent is at level n, your child is at level n plus 1. That's all. First, my parent is in level 0. My childs are in n plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. My parent B is in level 1. So my children D, E, F are in n plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. My parent E is in level 2. My children G and H are in level 3. So level means what? It is a step from top to bottom. It is a step or hierarchy which is used to represent. Step in a tree is used to represent a level. Level always starts from 0. Okay. For every step hierarchy, level will be incremented by 1. Incremented by 1. Now you tell me, what is the level of this tree now? Level of tree is what? 3. Am I correct, guys? Level of tree is 3. You tell me now, what is level of A? Level of root? This is only root. Am I correct?
0.
Good.
0.
0.
Yeah, very good. So, level of root is what? 0. Always level of root is 0. This I will write again, edge. This is edge. Okay.
0.
0. Yes, level of root is always 0. These are some of the points. Next one, height. Height of a tree. Level is different, height is different, depth is different in a tree structure. Next one is height. What is your height means? What will you say? Ma'am, 170, 163, 160. Like that you will say. So how from your head to your toe they will take the measurement. Am I correct? From your head to toe, they will take the measurement and they will say that, okay, you are 160 centimeter height. Okay. Otherwise, from top to bottom, anything you take. So, what is this height means? We can. This I will erase. Oh, completed as well. Longest path from leaf node to the root node. That is the height of a tree. If suppose I am asking like a degree of one node, what is the height of node B? If I am telling what is the two things we can understand, we can find. No, from height of the tree completely we can say, and the height of the node also you can say. Height of the node first we will discuss. Longest path from leaf node to that node is height. So we have to take from bottom. Leaf node, when you are starting anything from leaf node means you have to go from bottom to top. So now I am telling what is the height of B. You tell me. I am writing here. What is height of B, guys? You tell me now. Here one thing, you have to count the edges. You have to count the edges. Don't count the nodes. That is its height. Now you tell me anybody, which is any one leaf